Hey everyone, welcome to Auto Dynamic. Today, we're diving into one of the most iconic American sports cars ever built, the 1957 Chevrolet Corvette Convertible. A car that defined an era and set the standard for performance and style. This wasn't just a car, it was a statement. A fiberglass-bodied roadster with sleek curves, bold lines, and the heart of a true racer. Chevrolet took the already admired Corvette and turned it into a legend in 1957. Under the hood, the magic happened. For the first time in Corvette history, buyers had the option of a fuel-injected 283 cubic inch V8, producing up to 283 horsepower, an astonishing 1 horsepower per cubic inch. That was cutting edge in the 50s, putting the Corvette on par with European sports cars. Paired with either a 3-speed manual, a 2-speed powerglide automatic, or the new 4-speed manual introduced in 1957, the Corvette delivered a thrilling driving experience. This was a car built for the open road, with a 0 to 60 time of under 6 seconds, blisteringly fast for its time. And let's talk about the design. The 57 Corvette had an aggressive yet elegant stance, with dual headlights, chrome accents, and a signature side cove that made it instantly recognizable. It came in a variety of striking color combinations, with both soft top and removable hardtop options. Inside, the Corvette was pure driver-focused engineering. A stylish yet functional dashboard, bucket seats, and a large tachometer right in front of the driver, it was built to be driven, not just admired. On the road, the 1957 Corvette was a sensation. It wasn't just about straight-line speed, it handled corners with precision, thanks to a well-tuned suspension and a lightweight frame. Whether cruising down Route 66 or tearing up a racetrack, this car was in its element. With just over 6,300 units produced in 1957, the Corvette Convertible became a sought-after classic, and today, it's a dream car for collectors and enthusiasts alike. Its value continues to rise, and its legacy remains unmatched. The 1957 Chevrolet Corvette Convertible wasn't just another car, it was a revolution. A car that pushed the boundaries of what an American sports car could be. Even today, nearly 7 decades later, it still turns heads and commands respect wherever it goes. That's it for today's deep dive into the legendary 57 Corvette. If you enjoyed this, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more classic and performance car content. This is Auto Dynamic, and we'll see you in the next video.